Bungy,
Seatbelts.
stop it, please. We are just at Mamu Tropical Skywalk. The weather isn't the best, but you can still see all of the beautiful water down there. So we're going to check out a few more little spots. Jaden's just going to keep shaking
This thing's
the ground
10
and
meters.
freaking me out.
Cantilevered to.
I used to never be scared of heights, and I swear the last like 3 years I get really freaked out now.
Pretty high.
We're just sitting at the top of the tower and you can feel it shaking with the wind.
Very uneasy.
We're just about to walk across the waterfall. Hello everybody, we are at Mission Beach. Jaden has been going on about trying to find some coconuts all morning. So we did find some coconut trees, but it's really hard to get to them. So I think where we're going now, there's some that are a little bit easier to get. So we'll see how we go.
Fresh?
We got one!
Get into it. Really, just pour it back.
No, I'm not going to get it all over my shirt like
Go on.
you.
Look. Bit of sand. The great outdoors.
Oh! We've been at this for about an hour now, maybe more. Yes!
Far out. What an effort that was. Just for a little green coconut.
Yeah. Apparently those ones have more water inside or something.
It's like drinkable, as where like the brown ones is like for the flesh.
Yeah.
So these are the ones you want to drink.
See how we go. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Oh! I felt some water out of that one. Does that feel pretty sturdy? So these are the coconuts that we got yesterday. This one was a brown one, so I think it's more ripe and there's more flesh inside. Oh,
Whoa,
wow!
that's so cool.
Yum!
Nice. Oh, what's that in there?
That's part of the tree that was grown. Still fine.
What's all that?
Yum! Thank you!
If you get a spoon, you can put it in between there and just get it off.
How is it?
So good.
Delicious. Worth all of the hard work.
100%.
We are just in Babinda and we're staying at a free camp spot there, and one of the locals said that he spotted a crocodile on the bank, so this will be our first croc sighting.
What are we trying?
Black sapote.
We've never seen it before, and we've seen, I think, at one of the gelato places it was a flavour, and we both said, what was that fruit?
Oh yeah.
And then we were like, you know what, we'll try it, but it's pretty much like chocolate pudding without sugar. Like it's
Yeah.
creamy.
The texture. is
Texture's good.
like chocolate pudding.
It's really nice.
So this looks like this. It's good.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah, different. We don't mind it.
We are about to go bungee jumping. We've just arrived at the place. We're going with our friends Tara and Nathan. I don't think Tara is jumping. How are you guys feeling? 50 meters apparently. How was that?
Crazy.
Ew!
How was it?
Anxiety to the max. I said I can't jump. I can't jump.
How was it?
That was so good. It was so scary.
You got the safety boots on as well.
Yeah, very safe.
All about safety. All about safety.
We've got some coconuts here. Thanks to Nathan.
It's working.
He's got the leg shakes. 2 more to go. Yum.
Reggie's getting
You want some, Reggie? You want some?